Well, conventional electronics, your conventional computer chip relies on the motion of electrons, current, charges. However, there's a whole other class of devices that your computer uses, which uses the spin of the electron, and that is your hard disk drive. And so now there's this whole new kind of school of thought out there saying, hey, we should combine sort of these spintronic devices like hard disk drives and these logic devices into one device and sort of use both the charge and spin of the electron in one device. And there's been some recent papers out that say that if you do use spin, that you'll produce devices that operate at higher speeds and consume less power than conventional devices. The components that power your personal computer, your handheld, your Palm Pilots, your cell phones, your Blackberries, your iPods. The computer chips that are inside those devices are based on charge. So Spintronics is trying to make new devices that are based on spin as well as charge. You're all familiar with booting up your computer. It takes a long time, and that's because the computer has to read all this information off the hard drive and put it into memory. There's sort of new spintronic memory out there that doesn't require reading off the hard drive, so your computer would boot instantly. My lab focuses on fundamental knowledge, so we look at looking at sort of what are the effects that spintronic devices use, and how would we go about measuring them in different materials. And the really important thing is you need to do research with students because they're going to be the ones carrying this forward, and so you need to have a program where you involve students doing this sort of 20-year out kind of blue sky research, and they find it really exciting, and then they'll be the ones sort of carrying the knowledge forward.